Dear students, now I am explaining ordinal utility analysis. So, ordinal utility analysis, it is a modern concept of utility. It is advocated or presented by Professor Allen and Hicks. Professor Allen and Hicks advocated the concept of ordinal utility. So, what is ordinal utility? What is ordinal utility? Ordinal utility refers to the order of preferences for the given goods. It is a one more question. What is ordinal utility? What is ordinal utility? It is a one more question. If they ask this question, this is the answer. It refers to the ordinal utility refers to the order of preferences for the given goods. So here, if a consumer consumes goods, he can compare satisfaction. He cannot express satisfaction in terms of numbers or cardinal numbers. Here, in this concept, utility derived from goods. Consumer can compare utility. For example, if he consumes first unit of a commodity and he consumes the second, he can tell second gives more satisfaction, second unit gives more satisfaction or less satisfaction or equal satisfaction than that of first. So here, when a consumer consumes various units of the commodity or basket of goods, he can compare or he can tell us the first basket of goods or second basket of goods. So here he is able to compare only. He is able to compare the first or second basket. Second basket of goods gives more satisfaction or less satisfaction or equal satisfaction to him. So it is known as a ordinal utility. Ordinal utility refers to the order of preferences for the given goods. So here he can tell order of preferences for various basket of goods. It is the meaning of ordinal utility. Then we have indifference curve. It is also one more question. What is indifference curve? What is indifference curve? Indifference curve, it is a curve. This curve explains the various combinations of two goods give the same level of satisfaction. So here it is a curve. Indifference curve is a curve. It represents the various combinations of two goods give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. It is known as indifference curve. Suppose a consumer consumes various goods. The goods give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. It is known as indifference curve. This may explain with help of a table. So here is table. There are three columns in this table. Combinations. First column, combinations. Second column, say here, banana. Third we have mango. Third column shows mango. And next we have there are various combinations. Say here A, B, C, D and E. Here our consumer is consuming banana and mango both. So here A combination includes one banana and 12 mangoes. And B combination, it includes 2 bananas and 8. So here 8 mangoes. And C combination, 3 banana and 5 mangoes. Then we have D combination, it includes 4 bananas and mangoes, say here 3. And E combination, it includes 5 bananas and mangoes, say here 2. So here this clearly explains various combinations. Indifference curve refers to the various combinations give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. This table may be explained with help of a diagram. Draw this figure. Along y-axis we measure mango, and along this axis we measure banana. So in our example there are 5 bananas. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. And along this axis we measure, say here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. So the A combination, it includes 1 banana. So here is 1 banana and 12 mangoes. It is 12. Therefore, this say A combination. It is A combination. Then we have B combination. B combination includes 2 bananas and 8 mangoes. So here this point. It is a B. And next we have C combination. There are 3 bananas and 5 mangoes. 3 bananas and so here 5. Yes, therefore this point. And next we have D combination. D combination includes 4 bananas and 3 mangoes. It is 4 and here is 3. And then we have E combination, 5 bananas and 2. So by joining, it is C, it is D and it is E. So by joining a curve, this curve is known as indifference curve. Indifference curve. So here, so a combination, one banana and there are 12 mangoes, and B combination, 2 bananas and 8 mangoes, this, and C combination, 3 bananas and 5 mangoes, and D combination, it is 4 bananas and 3, therefore this point. Okay, and next we have E combination, 5 bananas and 2 mangoes. So all the combination here, all combinations A, B, C, D and E, all combinations give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. So here all combinations A or B or C, D or E, all combinations give the same satisfaction to the consumer. He may choose A or C or E. So all combinations of bananas and mango give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. So it is known as a indifference curve. Indifference curve means the various, it is a curve. This curve shows the various combinations of two goods give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. It is known as indifference curve. Then we have, they may ask the other question, MRS. The other one is MRS. Expand MRS. It is one more question. MRS stands for marginal rate of substitution. Marginal rate of substitution. Marginal rate of substitution, MRS. In a 2 marks, they may also ask, what is MRS? What is MRS? MRS refers to the how much of a commodity the consumer is ready to give or sacrifice in order to get another commodity. It is known as a marginal rate of substitution. In other words, marginal rate of substitution refers to the how much quantity of a commodity is ready to give or sacrifice to get another commodity. It is known as marginal rate of substitution. It is 2 marks question. So here we may use explain this here, the marginal rate of substitution. Look at this board. Combinations, bananas and mango. Here the other column, marginal rate of substitution. So here A combination, 1 banana and 12 mango. And next, in order to get more mangoes, how much he is ready to sacrifice? He is ready to sacrifice here 1 banana to get 4 mangoes. he is ready to sacrifice. Here, consumer is ready to consume more quantity. Here, 4 quantity of mangoes, and he is ready to sacrifice. He is ready to give 1 unit of mango. And here is the sacrifice. The rate of sacrifice is 1 and 3. So is 1 is 2, and then here 1. He is ready to sacrifice to consume more bananas. It is known as a marginal rate of substitution. Marginal rate of substitution refers to the how much quantity of if a consumer wants to consume more quantity of a commodity, he has to reduce, he has to sacrifice, he has to ready to give the another commodity. The rate of how much here, look at this here, he is ready to give 1 unit of banana to get 4 mangoes. Here he is ready to sacrifice 1 banana to get 3 mangoes. Here the rate of sacrifice decreased. So here it is known as marginal rate of substitution. Then here the another concept I will explain to you next.